Websites feel more appealing when you add in animations to it, and Wix lets you add in website animations quite easily, especially in Wix ADI. So to choose an animations, you simply go to design right over here, and then you can see that animation is an option. So simply click on animation right over here, and by default, no animation has been applied. So if you were to go to fade, you can see right over here that everything fades out. So this is what happens when your website actually loads up for the first time. The other one is float, as you can see. The other one is slide right over here, which I feel is much more engaging for this design. There's fly right over here. So I don't like fly bit right over here. So there's fold, as you can see, which is also okay. So there's like slide and there's fold. That's what I like so far. And there's turn right over here, as you can see. So I'm just going to go out and choose fold for this one because that's the one I like best, as you can see. So this is how your website will load up when some user actually types in the address right over here. So how cool is that? You don't need any coding knowledge whatsoever for that. And you can also choose different page transitions, as you can see, when it flips over to other web pages right over here, like there's horizontal, vertical, and crossfade, as you can see. And these are the animation options that you're provided with in Wix ADI, which you can simply do in a click of a button. So that's how you can apply animations to your website. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.